Welcome to Vegan Method. In this video I'm making a red lentil soup which is called Mercimek Corbasi. Now my Turkish friends tell me that I'm terrible at pronouncing Turkish, so I'm going to call it Turkish red lentil soup. To make the soup we need 1.5 cups of red lentils. I've got 1 medium carrot that's chopped into cubes, 2 teaspoons of tomato puree. I've got half an onion which is chopped into small cubes. And I have a teaspoon of red chilli. I've got a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm also going to use 5 cups of water, and you can always add more if needed. So the first thing I'm going to do is to get some oil, 2 teaspoons roughly worth, and just heat that through. And then when it's hot enough I'm going to add the onions and turn the heat down. We don't want the onions to burn. Now they're softening nicely, I'm going to add the tomato puree and stir it. Now we can add in the carrots, and we're going to also add the red lentils and the spices, and then give it a stir around and then add the 5 cups of water. So now the water's in, I'm just going to bring it up to the boil and then immediately turn it down to simmer. We're going to leave the lid on and cook it for 20 minutes. So after the 20 minutes I'm going to take the lid off, give it a stir and then leave it to cook for a further 10 minutes. Once that's finished, the soup is ready to be blended and served. So that's how easy it is to make a Turkish red lentil soup. I'm just going to serve this with a squeeze of lemon juice and a little sprinkling of some spicy chili powder because I like my soup to be spicy. Again, thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe and leave comments below.